I started DIY oil changes last year after my car dealership underwent new ownership and increased the oil change fees to a level where I felt DIY was worthwhile. For optimal performance and to prevent engine damage, I change the oil every 5,000 to 6,000 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. Since the design of my car's engine doesn't work well with an oil extractor, I found that a good tool like the Fumoto valve makes every oil change a breeze. I installed it myself last year and even made a video on how to do it. I'm pleased to report there is no leakage, and the area around it remains very clean. I attach a half-inch tube to it to minimize any chance of spills and use an oil pan that is much larger than the volume of the oil tank. This larger pan allows me to easily pour the used oil into a container for disposal. I opted for a ramp instead of a jack, choosing one with a weight capacity several times more than that of my car for added safety. For oil and filters, I go with Mobil 1, adhering to the SAE specifications recommended in the car manual. According to my car manual, the oil filter should be hand-tightened, so no tool is needed for that. Lastly, I make sure to search for a recycling center to drop off the used oil for free. As you can see, with the right tools, everyone can DIY their oil change, doing so cleanly, quickly, and easily.